friends, welcome to Nazanin's Creative Corner. In this video, I am going to show you shortcut keys which help you to make presentations faster. So let's start. Shortcut number 1, bolding and underlining the text. For bolding and underlining the text, we have two shortcuts. First, select the word and use the shortcut key Ctrl+B. You can see my text is bolded here. You can see the difference between the text which is bolded and not bolded. Now I am going to underline the text. First select the sentence and use the shortcut key Ctrl+U. You can see my sentence is underlined. Now copying and pasting pictures and text. Now I have selected a picture and used the shortcut key Ctrl+C. Now I am going to the other slide and pasting the picture which I have selected. You can see the picture came when I used the shortcut key Ctrl+V. Now I am going to select a word and use the shortcut key Ctrl+C, and I am pasting the word in another slide by using the shortcut key Ctrl+V. You can see my word is pasted here from a slide. Now selecting a word or a sentence in an easy way. First I am going to select a word by just double click on the word by keeping the cursor on the word. You can see a word is selected really easily. Now selecting a sentence. Triple click on the sentence you wish to select and you can see my sentence is selected. Now undoing a thing. Now I have selected a picture and I deleted it and I want the picture back. Just use the shortcut key Ctrl+Z, in which you will get the picture back. Saving a presentation. For saving a presentation, you can use the shortcut key Ctrl+S. You can see my presentation is saving. What all changes you made, the changes are saving. Adding a new slide. For adding a new slide, you don't need to go and click the new slide button. First select the slide and then use the shortcut key Ctrl+M. You can see a new slide is inserted. Starting a slideshow. First use the shortcut key F5 in your keyboard. Find the shortcut key F5 and then you can see my slideshow has begun. Next are some slideshow shortcuts. These shortcuts include how to get a pen in slideshow, how to erase the ink in slideshow and getting the cursor back. First I am going to start the slideshow and then these are the slideshow shortcuts, and first use the shortcut key Ctrl+P to get the pen. You can see I have got a pen in the slideshow really easily by just using the shortcut key Ctrl+P. I didn't click anything. Now I am going to erase the ink with another shortcut key Ctrl+E. I have got an eraser. You can see I have erased the ink. Now to get the cursor back. After all this you want the cursor back. So just use the shortcut key Ctrl+A. I have got my cursor back. Now starting a slideshow from the slide you have selected or the current slide. When you click F5, it will start from the beginning and not from a slide you have selected. So just use the shortcut key Shift+F5. You can see my slideshow has begun from the slide I have selected when I used the shortcut key Shift+F5. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and share this video. Subscribe if you are watching my channel for the first time. Stay tuned for more informative videos.